This lesson shows how to make calculations with percents using the percent equation. The percent equation is part equals percent times whole. For example, to express 96 as 80% of 120, the equation would be 96 equals 0.8 times 120. In the percent equation, the percent is expressed as a decimal. The equation contains three quantities: part, percent, and whole. If you have any two of these quantities, you need to be able to find the third. The first example, 12, is what percent of 40? For this question, 12 is the part, 40 is the whole, and you need to find the percent. The equation is 12 equals percent times 40. Divide both sides of the equation by 40, and you get percent equals 0.3, or 30%. So 12 is 30% of 40. The second equation, what number is 12% of 150? For this question, 12 is the percent, 150 is the whole, and you need to find the part. The equation is part equals 0.12 times 150. Multiply, and you get part equals 18. So 18 is 12% of 150. The third example, 13 is 26% of what number? For this question, 13 is the part, 26 is the percent, and you need to find the whole. The equation is 13 equals 0.26 times whole. Divide both sides of the equation by 0.26, and you get 50. So 13 is 26% of 50. It's sometimes difficult to tell the difference between the part and the whole in these statements. Just remember, the of clause always points to the whole. Finally, there are different ways to ask the same question. If you're asking for the whole, the question could be, 13 is 26% of what number? Or, 26% of what number is 13? If you're asking for the part, the question could be, what number is 12% of 150? Or, what is 12% of 150? And if you're asking for percent, the question could be, 12 is what percent of 40? Or, what percent of 40 is 12? This lesson was brought to you by the Math Fun Academy. Its continuing mission: to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new math and new equations, to boldly go where no math student has gone before.